Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by PDF Element, the all-in-one solution to edit, sign, and annotate PDFs on your iPhone and iPad completely free. Click the links in the description and subscribe to their YouTube channel to claim your free gift today from PDF Element. Hey guys, today Apple released iOS 12 Beta 4 to register developers as anticipated. Today we get this new beta, and it's kind of interesting because according to Apple's release notes, there's more things that got broken than actual fixes, and we'll get to that here in a few seconds. The download was approximately 579 megabytes on the iPhone 10, coming from Beta 3 to Beta 4. And before we get to some of the things that are broken and changes within the software, Apple yesterday announced on Emoji Day 70 plus new emojis will be coming to iOS 12 or maybe iOS 12.1. Apple hasn't really announced when they're going to be updating their emojis, but as soon as they become available, of course, I'll have an update video for you guys with the latest emojis. Now, one of the things that Apple did fix with Beta 4 that was driving me crazy is the ability to place a wallpaper properly, so you can zoom in and out and place it anywhere on the screen. This was actually frozen in place. You couldn't fix anything, and there was actually wallpaper issues, so that has been fixed with iOS 12 Beta 4. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the build number here for iOS 12 Beta 4, and the current build number is going to be 16A5327F. That's going to be Beta 4 for iOS 12. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the release notes for iOS 12 Beta 4. You guys are going to be surprised on how many issues. First, downloading applications from the App Store. They may have failed to install properly as well, not letting you install apps. Other known issues with the iPhone 10: on the status bar, the signal indicator may be inaccurate on the lock screen and home screen as well. There was an issue actually resolved, the no SIM notification on iPad. When you inserted a SIM card with no data plan, you would get the no SIM prompt. That has been fixed. Additional known issues: cellular data section under settings and cellular may not refresh constantly. Group FaceTime could not be initiated from Beta 3 to other betas. So these are known issues that are still present. I mean, there's just so many issues. Also, screen time usage data may not sync between devices. There's just more issues than there is fixes in this beta. That is why I'm still kind of bothered by the fact that all these issues were known but still haven't been fixed. I haven't seen this many issues until now. So hopefully Apple will get back on track with iOS 12. I'll be testing the software in terms of battery and performance to make sure this is not affecting that. And I'll also have a follow-up video for you guys when it comes to new features and changes within the software. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.